Hi, and welcome back to Math Mr. G for our Summer Scholars. Today we're going to be working on Zearn M5, Lesson 1. Today we're going to be working on how to decompose fractions as a sum of unit fractions using tape diagrams. So you can see here that I already have tape diagrams set up. And we're going to use these as our base to then follow through with decomposing them as sums. So sums, of course, being addition, and unit fractions are fractions where the numerator is 1 and the denominator is however many pieces it's been cut up to. So let's take a first look at this one up top. So you can see this whole tape diagram is just one whole. So I have to count these total pieces to find my denominator. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have eighths that I'm dealing with, and I have 8 of them. So very simply, I need to make them as unit fractions. So I have 1/8 plus 1/8. Hopefully I have enough room. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. Plus 1 1/8 plus 1/8. Not sure why that line doesn't want to show up. Plus 1/8. I'm going to do this 8 times because I need to find the sum, and there's 8 of them. And it's out of one whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/8, which is 6, plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Now sum, of course, means there needs to be an answer. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eighths. So 8/8, which is of course equal to my 1 whole. And the point of this being is that we can see that as a whole number broken down into pieces, 8 pieces exactly, that each one of these is equal to 1/8. I'm going to actually rewrite that just a little more neatly. There we go. Each one of these is worth 1/8, and all together, when added, finding the sum, I have 8/8 here. And I'll circle that in red as our answer for this. I am now going to do the same, some slightly different steps down here. So I have another 1 whole, but notice that there's these 2 pieces that aren't attached. These are just extras to it. This is going to wind up being a mixed number when we are done. So I'm going to find us out how many pieces are here with 1 whole. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this time I'm working with sevenths. So each one of these is equal to 1/7. And that does also include our 2 extra pieces here, which I'll draw a blue line through, so that we can see that they are separate from the 1 whole. So let's first find the 1 whole. So I have 7 of these, so 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just need 2 more. 1/7 plus 1/7. So you can see right now that I have 7/7, but I'm not quite done. I need to add these 2 here. So I'm going to add another 1/7 and another 1/7, which leaves me with 1, 2 plus 7 is 9/7. That's what I have here, which is also equal to, zoom out just a hair, which is also equal to 1/2 as a mixed number. This is going to be very much like what you're doing today on your Zearn lesson. You're going to be decomposing mixed units in a number of ways, some more complex than this, some less complex as a sum. This is really the foundation of understanding equivalent fractions and the many different ways that fractions work together and the different operations that we'll be working on together in the next couple weeks. I look forward to seeing your work, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.